Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common Android issue that can drive anyone crazy. How to restore all your home screen icons on your Android device in 2025. Whether you've accidentally deleted an icon or they're just missing after an update, this quick guide will get everything back in place. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your device is updated to the latest Android version for 2025. This ensures all features work smoothly. Start by unlocking your phone and heading to the home screen. Now, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app drawer. That's where all your apps are stored. Once you're in the app drawer, take a look around. If you spot the missing icon, long press on it and drag it back to your home screen. It's that simple, but if the icon isn't there, use the search bar at the top of the app drawer. Type in the name of the app, and it should pop up. Select it, long press, and drag it to your desired spot on the home screen. Sometimes, apps might be hidden or disabled. To check that, go to your Settings app. It's usually in the app drawer or on your home screen. Scroll down to Apps or Apps and Notifications, then tap See All Apps. Find the app you're missing, and make sure it's enabled. If it's disabled, just tap to enable it, and the icon should reappear. If you're still having trouble, Android 2025 might have some advanced options. Head to Settings, Home Screen or Launcher Settings, depending on your device manufacturer like Samsung or Google Pixel. Look for an option to Reset Home Screen Layout or Restore Defaults. This will bring back the original icons without deleting your data. Pro tip: to prevent this in the future, organize your apps into folders or use widgets for quick access. And remember, if you use a custom launcher, check its settings too. There you have it, your home screen restored and ready to go. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Android tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.